Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, and it is Tuesday. And you know what that means. It's now time for another bold review. Dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, we are going to take a look at the latest BMX offering, which is Sugar Mommy. Ayun. So, sino mga ba mga sugar mommy yung mga Kabiba Max? Si Jamila Obispo nga ba? Ayun, dito natin malalaman na ang number one sugar mommy na kilala natin, Jamila Obispo. Ayun. So, Jamila Obispo recently made her return to BMX and napansin ko lang is ano, medyo how can I say this? Medyo family-oriented yung kanyang mga recent na pelikula. Like, Stepdaddy, and now, Sugar Mommy. Diba? So, is this going to be a theme for Jamila Obispo movies moving forward na dapat family yung tema? Well, we understand that Jamila Obispo is a mother. So, baka part yun ng new deal niya dito sa Viva Max, sa BMX. Okay, so Sugar Mommy is starring Jamila Obispo, Ashley Lopez, Aaron Carmelo, and Rush Flores. Yeah, it's a quite an ensemble cast para sa akin. Uh, I hope it doesn't disappoint. Hmm. Mm, okay. So, si Jamila Obispo, ginagampanan niya ang role ni Hazel. Isa siyang mommy. And into the lack of the better term, mommy na sugar mommy. Okay? Like, may pinupondoan siya mas bata sa kanya, kapalit ay panandaliang aliw. And isa dito sa pinupondohan niya ay si Paul, played by Aaron Carmelo. And right out to the gate, nagtalik sila. And then there is also Max, si Rush Flores. And right out of the gate, nagtalik rin sila. There is a third civilian dito sa movie, si Ashley Lopez. Okay? So, ang role rin ni Ashley Lopez dito is isa siya sa mga kliyente nito ni Hazel, pero siya parang siya yung pinaka close. Okay? Kasi minsan lang tumuloy sa pamamahay sina Mac sa si Paul, si si Ashley Lopez, sino yung ginagampanan niya? Si Jenna, siya yung parang permanent residence sa pamamahay ni Hazel. Na na tawagin they're like the closest of the two. And yeah, it goes to show in this movie. Well, ang nangyari dito is Hazel finds out na hindi lang siya yung kliyente nitong sugar mommy niya, and there are two other individuals. And it is uh it is her Jenna's mission. Jenna, di ba? Jenna. It is Jenna's mission na iseduce yung dalawa na nagiging ano kay Hazel, na nagiging na kliyente ni Hazel. And ang dating dito is agawang buko sila towards the feelings nung dalawa. Okay? So, parang tatlo silang kliyente ni stepmommy Jamila Obispo. Pero itong isa gustong humigit sa lahat. Okay? You're getting me? Oo. Parang gusto niya, no, ako lang ang ano. And to do that, she must break the ties of the family. Yun. So, una niyang pinunteriya ay itong si Paul, which is the youngest. Parang siya yung ano nagtatrabaho. Parang hindi siya nagtatrabaho. Siya ay isang college student siguro. Pinapaaral ito ni Hazel. Siniseduce niya. Una, nagiging bossy itong si Jenna kay Paul. At unti-unti lumalapit yung loob ni Paul kay Jenna. And it concludes with a sex scene sa bathtub. Oh, you know how I like my bathtub scenes, you know? Teka, inom lang ako ng tubig. Ayun. You know how I like my bathtub scenes? Very nice. Pero ito yung huling ano eh, parang ito yung yung kanyang pagseseduce kay Paul, ito yung parang huli dapat eh. Kasi was una niya sinusus itong si Max, pero si Paul, just for continuity, ito yung nangyari. Nakita ni Hazel na nakikipagtalik si Paul sa kay Jenna, meaning si Jenna, sinidus niya si Paul, at ayun, nagkaroon ng lamat yung relationship nung pamilya, kuno. Okay. Yeah, don't mess with family, di ba? Okay. So, si Paul kasi hindi bumigay kagad, pero ang bumigay kagad ay itong si Max. He played truth order with Jenna. Uminom silang alak. And then Max did the dare. Jenna asked for the truth. Okay? Yung mga dare naman ni Max ay straightforward. Strip. Strip your slippers. Strip your skirt. Strip your top. Okay? At yung mga tanong naman ni Hazel for the truth is, nalilibugan ba si Max? Di ba? Yun. And would Max have sex with with Jenna? Jenna pala, Hazel ako na Hazel. Will Max have sex with Jenna even if Hazel, at the risk of Hazel finding out? Ayun. So, nagtalik sila. There is this one good shot na kita yung boobs ni Jenna sa pagitan ng binti ni Max kasi ang laki ng boobs ni Ashley Lopez. Very, very nice. Ayun. Then we all got a montage ng unti-unti na si Hazel, mm, sumasakit yung loob kay Jenna kasi si Jenna ginagawa to sa kanyang mga kliyente. Ayun, until Jenna just nagpasya na lang si Jenna na tigilan na to, and then they all left the house. Yeah, simple ending. Wala mang ganun ka grabe sa nangyari, di ba? Simple naman yung naging ending. Yeah. I'm not complaining. Uh, Straightforward masyado. Ayun. And it ends with Hazel, Jamila Obispo on Tinder finding another match. Siguro i-stepmom niya, i-sugar mommy niya rin. Babae rin, okay? So, how do I rate sugar mommy? Let's make this quick. I just got off work, so uh I'll just make this week. I'm gonna put this Smackbang in the middle. It's a mid movie. Nothing special. Walang labis, walang kulang. Sapat lang naman. Ayun. So yeah, I'm surprised that they posted a sexy movie na hindi dokumentaryo on a Tuesday. I wasn't expecting a movie on Tuesday, pero here we are. And then we got our Independence Day special. May pasok pa rin ako eh. End up ko yung holiday ko eh. So yeah, we got our Independence Day special. Uh, I'll probably review it on Saturday. Sorry for the delay. Saturday. So another Saturday night's main event. So what's up? Tabu Tuesdays. Ngayon, then Saturday night's main event. Kikirot-kirot. Sky Gonzaga and Rinoa Halili. Miss ko si Rinoa Halili. Uh, Judging by the trailer, ang wild ni Rinoa Halili doon. It's not the premium proper Rinoa. So, I have some big expectations for that movie. Well, this is your boy Harriet, signing off. Peace. Paki-like na lang rin po yung video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review. This is a Tabu Tuesdays only on Harriet. Peace.